Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about spirituality, goal setting, journaling, mental health and awareness, and my story. Today I have a very special video for you. Actually, this month it's a special video. I have 5 unique weekly bullet journal spreads for your journal this month. I didn't include my weekly setups in my monthly plan with me for July, which I'll leave linked up above and down below so you can check out what the rest of my bullet journal looks like. Let's go ahead and jump in so you can make these 5 unique weekly bullet journal spreads in your bullet journal. If you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram at owlsandindigo. If you want to see how I paint hydrangeas, I have a video that I created that you can check out that's linked up above and down below. This is a really simple weekly spread. It's just a 6-column spread that has 1 circle for each day, and then the weekend you put into 1 circle. And it's just easier to divide it up into 3 instead of into 7. And I'm writing down my dates. I do a very simple date in my bullet journal. I do W1, T2, F3, and so on. And at the top of this, I'm creating my top 3 priorities for the day. And then at the bottom, I've got a hourly track so I can write in any appointments and keep track of any work blocks. This helps me some days to stay on track when I just feel like I don't know what I'm supposed to do next. It's better to have a visual representation of the entire day for me. I also have the 2 moon phases that week with my DIY moon phase stamps, which I'll leave linked up above and down below as well. This next spread is a grid spread. I have my main tasks at the top of the page, and then I have my days across the top row, and then Friday and the weekend on the bottom on the left side, and then on the right side I have 2 sections. One is for notes and one is for reminders, and then in the top corner I have that hydrangea. And now I'm just highlighting tasks with a little marker and filling in the moon phase dates for this week as well. This is another horizontal simple spread. It may not seem simple because of the big piece of artwork on it, but really all this is just a page with one big piece of artwork, and then what you do is you flip-flop the top or the bottom when you write your 3 priorities for the day, and then also your other task lists or other appointments. And now I'm using a gold gel pen to make boxes to section off the page as well, so I remember to alternate. And I also like the way that this turned out. And as you can see, I also have the moon phase date for this week as well. And here is another horizontal weekly spread. Instead of putting the moon phases at the top or the bottom, I'm going to put them in the middle next to the day. And for this weekly spread, all I'm going to be doing is adding just the tasks for the day. I'm not going to be keeping track of my hours. For the very last weekly spread, I'm doing the dates at the top, also with the moon phases for the week, and then I'm doing my top 3 priorities, and then an hours list running from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. And on the bottom half of the page, I have 4 sections. I have one for notes, tasks, any updates, and then also a section for things that are going on next week that I either want to move from this week to next week, or it's things that I want to remember are coming up next week. Those are the 2 ways that I like to use the little next week box. Before we get into the final flip through, I just wanted to say I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I really enjoy this community that we put together here on YouTube, Instagram, and over on owlsandindigo.com. Make sure you sign up for my private monthly spirituality journaling prompt that goes out on the 1st of every month. You'll receive a private email from me, the secret monthly spirituality journaling prompt, a private video explanation, and my private journal entry. Sign up now before the 1st. The link is down in the description. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!